Hi everybody, and my name is Michelle from Knitaway, and in today's video what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to knit. So hopefully you've done the learn how to do a slip knot and then learn how to cast on, and now we're going to learn how to knit. If you're not sure about the slip knot and the cast on, there's a link below so you can go through, have a look at them, and then we're on the next stages to how to knit. Right, we're ready to learn how to knit. So what we've done is we've done the slip knot and cast on stitches here. I've got 16. If you're still not sure how to do a slip knot, how to cast on, then if you look in the links below, I've actually done some videos on how to do that. So let's get cracking with learn to knit. So what you do is when you've got your cast on stitches on your left hand needle, your right hand needle is going to go through the first loop, stitch, whatever you want to call it. So make a cross, very similar to casting on. Wrap it around. That is your working yarn. When I say working yarn, that's coming off your ball, all right? So wrap that around and then pull it like that. Pull that up through the loop like that, and then just, if you need to use that finger just to help you push it off, there we go. So the wrap round has created the stitch. So let's do it again. So from front to back, making a cross, wrap it around, and then up through there. Use your finger if you need to and pull it off. Just keep them over there so you're not going to pull them stitches off. So again, we're going to go from front to back, wrap it around, up through there, pull that off. So this is actually called knitting. Yeah. So pull that stitch off there. I mean, to be honest, knitting's not difficult. All it is, it's learning how to get this tension right, which is wrapping it around there. And tension's the most important. How to hold your needles. People hold needles so different. So wrap it around, pull it over. Practice makes perfect, so they say. So just keep practicing, and this is how you're going to get going. All right, you can produce some beautiful things. How nice is it to say, oh yes, I've knitted that? So just start with things like scarves or snoods, things like that initially. As you can see, 2 balls of yarn there. I've got a pink and a beige. That's part of my beginner's kit. I have actually got a beginner's kit with everything in: needles, yarn, snood pattern, instructions. The link is below, so if you want to click on the link if you want more details for that. But that comes with everything. So again, beginner's kit. Right, so let's have a look. So this is the first row. So here we've got, this is called the tail end, and this is a working yarn. Please, please, please don't use that. It's so easy to knit with that now. Make sure you've got your working yarn from your actual ball of yarn. So let's do the next row. So keep that, move it to the back if it's easier, or just hold it away. And then all you're going to do is you're going to go from front to back again. Wrap it around like that, through again, front to back, make a cross, wrap it round. And can you see how easy my stitches are sliding up and down because the tension's just right there? So up through the loop. Just keep practicing, honestly, just keep practicing. That's all I can say. I can't stress that enough. And you're not going to think too much about your tension, because you might be, if you pull it too tight, it's really hard to get slide that down there. So just make sure that you just get it nice. All right, wrap it round your needle. So front to back, around, off. So again, front to back, making a cross, wrapping that around that needle up through there like that. So just keep practicing, honestly. You'll love it. It's such a relaxing skill to have, knitting, and produces lovely, lovely things. So keep going round there like that. There we go. So keep going. So we have just done 2 knit rows, which is garter stitch. It's also called garter stitch if it's all knit. So there you go. As easy as that. So once you've mastered that, the next stage is actually how to cast off. So I've actually done a video with the link below, how to cast off. Enjoy. If you want to see more, the links are down below. If you want to like it, please. And if you want to follow me, press the subscribe button there. And then you can follow me, and also the little bell which tells you when I'm doing a new video. So hopefully I'm doing them weekly. So if you want to keep learning as we do this journey together, I am going to teach you how to knit. So keep following me, put comments down, and I'll see you later. Bye!